Hi, I'm Danielle, and I'm here in the darkroom at the School of Photographic Arts of Ottawa. As you can see, the lights are actually on in the darkroom. What I'm going to show you today is a technique for making photos that does not require you to have a darkroom at home. You just have to stay out of the sun while you're doing it. So I'm going to show you how to make a cyanotype, and I've got a couple of examples here. You can do cyanotypes with digital photos, but you can also do it with found objects like leaves, or you could use a piece of lace like I did here on cloth. This is maple leaves from my garden on washi paper. Okay, so here I'm set up with some plastic to protect the surface that I'm working on. I have two sets of chemistry here. You can buy them like this in bottle. One is ferric ammonium citrate and the other one is potassium ferricyanide, and you can buy this online from places like B&H. They are mixed already in this little jar that I have, and it's equal parts of both liquids, and it turns into this yellow kind of color. And what I'm going to do is I have a piece of pre-cut paper, and I just start to brush it on. And I put a piece of paper underneath just so it doesn't drip onto the plastic. And you just try to get it on as evenly as possible until you've covered. In this case, I'm going to cover the entire paper. And that's essentially it for this step. Okay, so I've let the paper that I coated earlier, I let it dry for about an hour and a half, and now this is what it would look like, and it's completely dry. Now it's ready for me to start applying things to it. So I've got a couple of things here that I'm just kind of playing with. So for instance, I'll just put these leaves here. This just gives you an example of a little thing you could do, and then it's on a board, as you can see, and that's important just to create stability and firmness. And then I put a piece of glass on top, and now it's ready to go either into a UV oven if you have one, or if it's sunny, it's a sunny day outside, you could just bring it outside and you watch for the color to become gray, and then you take it back inside and you remove everything and you've got a print. So the final step is to rinse your paper before you let it dry completely. So I'm just going to put it in this water bath, and I've already processed this one. It's just an example to show you, and you just kind of agitate it gently for 5 to 10 minutes. And once in a while you pick it up very gently by the corners and you let the water drip, and the idea is you want to make sure that all the blue that there's no more blue or yellow coming out of the paper. Once you've taken it out of the water, you put it somewhere flat, or you could hang it up, you could hang it by a clothespin, and you let it dry for a few hours, and then you're done. You've got your print.